Hello everyone, Veronica here, and I have another deep dive into the energetics of essential oils. And today we're going to do my very first oil, cilantro. I always laugh when I share the story, but oh my goodness, was it profound. So a friend of mine invited me to learn more about essential oils, and I thought essential oils were woo-woo perfume. I had no idea they had medicinal or emotional benefits at all. I thought they were kind of like patchouli, where you have it in incense and stuff. I thought it was just that. And so she invited me to learn more about the oils, and she had a tray of oils that was, my hands aren't fitting in the video. It was big. It was bigger than I could fit into the video. It had about 70 oils in it, I guess. And I just happened to put my hand on it was on the floor, and I just happened to touch the tops of the bottles, and I went, oh, wow. I was so shocked at the energetic that was coming off the bottles, not even opening them. It just blew my mind. I was like, all right, this is a wake-up call. Something more is happening here than what I thought. And so I just kept putting my hands on all the oil bottles until I realized that I was drawn to one specific bottle. And that specific bottle was cilantro. I didn't know why. I just knew that my hand kept going back to cilantro over and over and over again. So I got cilantro, and I got the energetic read on cilantro, and then I knew why. So let me read it to you. Cilantro. Cilantro breaks energetic attachments and helps keep your energy system clear. Very supportive when changing jobs, moving, or leaving a relationship. Use to reclaim your center, to reduce overstimulation, and to access your truth. Okay, so I've always been an ultra sensitive. I have had to learn how to deal with that. It's not easy sometimes, and it was actually extremely, extremely difficult when I was younger. It's also a superhero power, so works out if you learn what to do about picking up on energy of other people, their feelings, their emotions, their thoughts, whatever level of sensitivity you might have. So when I got a hold of cilantro, what I realized, it was helping me let go of the energy I'd picked up from other people over the years. And I actually ended up using an entire bottle of cilantro. I would put it in a roller bottle, and I would just roll it on various parts of my body. I kept it beside my bed so that I could just get in bed, roll it all over me. It smelled really, really. And it helped so much. It just broke out all those attachments. Some people call that cording. You might have heard that word cording. You might have heard the words energetic vampires, where people get a hold of your energy system and drain you. And that can happen even if it's just simply, they don't have to be intentional about that. It can just be, that dynamic can get set up when you care more about keeping them happy than you do about taking care of yourself. That can set up an energy vampire kind of situation very fast. So letting all of that go and processing all of that out of my system, cilantro was the most amazing support. So let's see what more I get from cilantro. I'm going to hold the bottle and see immediately all kinds of energy starts moving through my body, which is good. Those twitches and stuff, for my system, that's good. It shows that the energetics are interacting with my system. And it's funny because as I'm twitching, I just feel like things are just flying off, flying off, flying off. I really should be a little more mindful about having a regular visit with cilantro, like once a month. At least, where I just sit and really hold the bottle and work with the energies of cilantro. It's so amazing at splitting off anything you've picked up. We brush our teeth, we comb our hair, we wash our body, we wash our clothes and our sheets and our dishes. We need to wash our energy field too. So that's what cilantro helps you with. Okay, let me just tell you other things about cilantro. I'm getting this sense of like, dogs that like to dig holes, and I saw a picture of two what are those wiener dogs called? I know they're not called wiener dogs. That's probably offensive to people who own them, but in our town, in the 4th of July parade, they put little buns on the sides of the wiener dogs so they look like hot dogs walking around. So that's part of the reason why I think of them as wiener dogs, is because, you know, they turn them into hot dogs. I can't remember what they're called. I keep wanting to say Dalmatian, and that's absolutely wrong. Anyway, I'm getting super altered here. That I saw a little video of 2 of those dogs, and they were just digging and digging and digging and digging this hole. I don't know why. It was, you know, a Facebook thing. But that's when I picked up the bottle. That's what I was feeling, of like digging, digging, digging down into the truth of me without any extraneous energetics in the way. Like digging, 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 uncovering, unburying. And then that dirt flying off, releasing, releasing, releasing. Yeah, it's funny to think of those little dogs. Dotson? That's what they're called, not Dalmatians. I don't know how to say it though, but that's what they're called. I'm sure someone will post it in the comments. Let me just tune in a little bit more. Yeah, and then you know, it's sort of like you dig down, get all the dirt and mud off, and then you uncover the shiny, beautiful version of you that's clean and clear and open and ready to express your truth. So it's like you dig down to uncover, or uncover, no, dig down to reveal. You're uncovering and digging down to reveal. Yeah, cilantro, you're so awesome. I realize that this bottle's more than half gone too, so I use it a lot. Yeah, not often is enough. I need to be better about that, but I've used a lot of it. Yeah. All right. So the reading that I just did came from the Energetics of Essential Oils deck. This is a deck I created that covers about 120 different oils and blends. And I will put the instructions on how you can learn more about the deck and even order it in the video and also in the comments. Thanks, everybody. Oh, let me know what you think about your cilantro energetics. What do you pick up? What does it give you? What visuals do you get? I'd love to hear how that is being revealed to you. Okay.